Every second, this factory creates thousands of chocolate bars. But what if I told you every one of them? Every chocolate bar begins deep within the cocoa plantations. Each harvest is performed with precision and care. Only the finest cocoa pods are selected for chocolate production. Thousands of cocoa pods are gathered every harvest day. The journey from tree to chocolate factory begins immediately. Inside every pod lies the heart of chocolate production. Fresh cocoa beans are carefully separated from the fruit. Quality begins at the very first stage of handling. Fermentation unlocks the future flavor of chocolate. Natural fermentation transforms raw beans into a valuable ingredient. Careful handling ensures consistent chocolate flavor. Moisture slowly leaves the beans under controlled conditions. Drying preserves the beans for long-distance transport. The beans are spread out to remove excess moisture. Days of drying prepare the cocoa for long-term storage. Only properly dried beans can move to the next stage. The finished harvest is packed for transportation. Each sack is labeled for complete traceability. Thousands of kilograms of cocoa are organized for shipment. The harvest waits for transport to the chocolate factory. The cocoa begins its journey toward industrial processing. Ahead lies the factory where cocoa becomes chocolate. After days of travel, the cocoa arrives at the chocolate factory. The factory receives cocoa from plantations across the region. Every shipment is documented before entering production. Weight verification confirms the incoming cargo. The unloading process begins. Every pallet moves through strict receiving procedures. Representative samples are taken from every batch. Approved cocoa enters the production system. The factory stores cocoa under controlled conditions. Digital systems track every kilogram of cocoa. Each batch receives complete traceability throughout production. Now the cocoa begins its transformation into chocolate. Before processing, every cocoa bean must be thoroughly cleaned. Mechanical screening removes unwanted material from the harvest. Airflow systems eliminate dust before further processing. Density sorting removes materials that do not belong in chocolate production. Advanced detection systems protect product safety. Air classification refines the cocoa stream even further. Optical technology evaluates every bean in milliseconds. Only the highest quality cocoa remains in the process. Human expertise supports automated inspection systems. The cleaned cocoa is now ready for roasting. Every quality target must be met before processing continues. Now the flavor of chocolate begins to emerge. Roasting unlocks the signature aroma of chocolate. Every batch enters carefully controlled roasting conditions. Heat gradually transforms raw cocoa into a rich roasting profile. Precision control ensures consistency from batch to batch. Complex flavor compounds develop during this critical stage. Every parameter is continuously monitored. Small adjustments create major differences in final flavor. The roasting process is complete. Rapid cooling preserves the desired flavor profile. Controlled cooling prevents overprocessing. The roasted cocoa is prepared for further transformation. Next, the cocoa bean is broken apart to reveal its valuable center. The roasted bean is broken apart to expose its core. The shell is removed, leaving behind the most valuable portion. Winnowing creates a pure stream of cocoa nibs. These nibs contain the flavor and richness of chocolate. Quality checks continue at every major step. Grinding releases cocoa butter naturally contained within the nib. Now the nibs begin their transformation into liquid cocoa. The nibs have now become cocoa liquor. The foundation of chocolate is now ready for blending. Sweetness joins the cocoa in carefully controlled proportions. Every ingredient is added with exact precision. Refining creates the smooth texture consumers expect. The ingredients are blended into a consistent chocolate mixture. Every particle is reduced to achieve premium quality. The refined chocolate is ready for flavor development. The final stages of chocolate craftsmanship are about to begin. Conking refines both the flavor and texture of chocolate. Hours of conking develop the characteristic aroma of chocolate. Reducing moisture improves both texture and shelf life. The texture becomes smoother with every passing hour. Automation maintains consistency across every batch. Thousands of data points guide the production process. Real-time monitoring keeps production within precise limits. Continuous optimization improves efficiency and quality. The finished mixture is transported without interruption. Temperature stability is essential before the next stage. Tempering creates the crystal structure responsible for chocolate's finish. Tempering creates the crystal structure responsible for chocolate's finish. Every batch must meet strict processing standards. Now the chocolate takes its final shape. Every chocolate bar begins with a precisely prepared mold. Advanced systems deliver the exact amount of chocolate into every mold. Controlled cooling allows the chocolate to solidify gradually. Each cooling stage strengthens the chocolate structure. Every chocolate bar is examined before packaging. Attention to detail ensures a premium final product. Additional finishing creates unique chocolate varieties. Final cooling locks in the finished appearance. The chocolate is now ready for consumers. The final stage of production is about to begin. Quality verification begins before any chocolate reaches consumers. Laboratory testing confirms product consistency. Expert tasting panels verify flavor standards. Size and shape are verified with extreme precision. Secure sealing helps preserve quality throughout distribution. Every production batch undergoes final review. Packaging quality is as important as the product itself. The chocolate has successfully passed all quality requirements. Documentation guarantees full traceability from farm to factory. Now the chocolate is ready for distribution around the world. From storage to distribution, logistics keeps the chocolate supply moving. And this is how modern factories produce chocolate. Cocoa harvest to finished product. Thank you for watching.